What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to explain to you why I think email marketing is a waste of time and what you should actually do instead. All right, is email marketing really a waste of time? Maybe, maybe not. You know, who knows, right? Like, for sure, I have bought products that, after like the 10th email, I'm not saying it doesn't work. However, I think that there are things that you can do instead of email marketing, or at least in addition to email marketing, that would be very effective, right? So one of them obviously is to use a tool like Paigham Bot, which is a contact form submitter, where essentially you can bypass this whole need for them to sign up for your mailing list by just filling out the contact form on their website. Now, this can be an advantage when you are trying to sell something to a business, but obviously if you're just selling something to like an individual, then you kind of need their email, all right? Plus, the other disadvantage to this is that if you do it, like, there's no unsubscribe button when you fill out their contact form. Okay, so like you need to kind of be careful not to like you don't want to do like an autoresponder campaign every single day, filling out their contact form every day with the contact form submitter. Although I guess you could, but it's kind of one of those things where like it's currently not regulated, and do you like really want to be the guy who like emails a million people a day through their contact form and like forces regulation? Probably not. You know, just be cool. Just be cool. So anyway, how do you actually do this whole like email marketing thing through contact forms? I'm going to show you right now. So this is Paigham Bot. For those of you who somehow this is the first video you've seen on my channel, I do a lot of videos about Paigham Bot just because I think it's such an awesome tool for the reasons that I just stated. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add a URL list. Right, so basically you're going to add a list of URLs of contact pages that you have, which you can get through using the scraping tool, which I'll show you in a second. So let's say we want to hit up a list of chiropractors. All right, now there's two pages in here. You've got the scraping tab and you've got the posting tab. Whoops, we don't want to do that yet. So you get the contact pages from using the scraping tab, and then we load them in to use with the posting tab. Now let's see, we are going to let me just save this campaign. Where is it? Paigham Promo 1. Alrighty then. So, okay, now how do we do this, right? So let's say John at AOL.com, phone number 123 subject. So, there's this whole like science when it comes to like writing the right cold email subject lines, but like there's all kinds of options that you can have, right? So let's just say, do not open this email. Okay, we'll be a little cheeky in this one. And then like straight up, like you're just gonna say like, hey, I want to sell you something. Okay, not quite in those in so many words. I actually have a course on cold emailing where I break down like literally how to write every single line, what you should write in the first sentence, what you should write in the second sentence, what you should write in the third sentence. And like honestly, it's so good, I kind of just want to give it away for free. I'm selling it for $100 right now, but like I think I'm just going to give it away for free. We'll see. I don't know. Anyway, this is it. It's pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. Like, with the click of a button, this can go automatically out to 4,000 people. And when you think about all of the stuff that's involved with like email marketing, how you need to send them to like a lead capture page, you need to give them a lead magnet, you need to like set up your autoresponder, you need to pay for the autoresponder, you need to like do all of this stuff for that to work. Or you could just scrape search engines for contact pages and send out this campaign via Paigham Bot or whatever contact form submitter you want to use. I don't know, it just seems like this is like a little bit easier, but that's just me. Anyway, if you guys have any questions on using Paigham Bot or a contact form submitter to maybe have an alternative or something to do in addition to email marketing, let me know. And I'll put a link to the cold email course that I have as well in case you guys want to check that out. Oh, and I also have, so part of the cold email course is actually a course on Paigham Bot where I walk you through like the exact steps necessary to like basically take you from somebody like your grandma who doesn't know how to even send a text message to like basically me, who can set up a new campaign for a new product in an hour and have be making money essentially while you're out at the beach chilling, which is how I like to spend my time. Anyway, that is in the description. So if you're interested in that, check it out. Yeah, cool. Peace.